So let's make this fast. This is the last video recording I'm going to record na because this is the last project. I think kanin din ta mag murmur and something like that. So sige na guys, this is the last project. I think it's the discrete project. I think discrete. So I'll open the project. Time check, 10 PM na. Kanina I started a video of my project and algorithm, the algorithm and complexity. I finished it and it takes me 30 minutes to finish because I mumble a lot of words and sulit nga words na ako. Sana dito hindi na I will make it straight to the point and faster. And I think I will not show any codes now. It's too much. It takes too much time. So this project is all about friend recommendation system, or what we call this website, or website name is, or program name is Socio Matrix, because socio is social, or matrix is part of the lesson and in discrete structure that we somehow incorporated it indirectly. So still analyzing guys and initializing, so let's wait a bit before I run this program so that it will not cause any problem. Just wait a bit. So in this project we will highlight the Markov algorithm that we've Markov chain. Let's call that algorithm as well because it provides a step-by-step process. So this Markov chain algorithm that we coded is actually a fourth degree type of Markov algorithm. So basically we incorporated this concept in the idea of friends in the graph making, or in the recommendation itself. So aside from this friends of friends idea, aside from that, we incorporated as well a preference similarities, so that even though if you're not friends with any of users within this system, you can still be friends, or you can still be friends with them, or you can still see them as the system will recommend them if you have similarities in your preferences. So for example, you like gaming and the other person also like gaming, but you still have no friends. The system itself will recommend you to the user that likes gaming. So basically that's that. So that you will not feel like isolated in a way. So that the system, or so that new users will not worry about they have no friends that the system doesn't recommend, because you still have no connection with others. So with this preference function, it acts like a starting point for new users, that if you have same preference with other users, the system will not will know it and suggest friends with the same preference as he or she. So basically that's that. So aside from that, we also incorporate the graph for illustration of friends of friends. So it's like a visual presentation for us to for you to see how this Markov chain algorithm works, and I think that's how this 4th degree Markov chain algorithm works. As well as graph is part of discrete structure, so we incorporated that for extra points or topic that we covered as well. So let me start now, because I think it's the right amount of introduction of our app, and it's finished initializing now. So I'll run it. I hope it only takes 15 minutes for me to video this, because it's so long to export. The last one I recorded is the AgriFlow from Algorithm and Complexity project. It takes me 30 minutes to video it, and the export time when I export in CapCut, it's so long. Even though the video quality is just 720, I will make it 720 as well, so that it's uniform. Bahala na sa lantaw kung hindi clear. And the CapCut has free 180p or 120p, something 100. I mean 1000 something. I don't want to wait that long, because so long to export it. So here it is, guys. So again, the main the homepage, it's not that good in visualization part, but I don't focus that on UI. I just want to incorporate the functionalities and the topics that we choose in study. So here it is, guys, the friend recommendation system. So first, I have a predefined users here. There's four of them, actually 4 of them. So there's the social graph of these 4 people connection. So the current user here is like a current user selector component here. So when I change perspective or user, the preference itself and the social graph of that person is changed as well. So aside from that, the friends tab here, the list of friend here change as well. So here, let's take note that the blue colored are the current person that you choose here, the current person that you are currently having or logged in, somehow like that. So and the orange, somewhat orange color here, somewhat color orange here are the friends of the current user. So let's see this, that the current user is Bob and is friends with Alice and Dave. So these are the color indicator of friends of the current user, and all the friends of friends and friends of friends until the 4th degree of friends of friends is the shaded in the shaded color of green. So I will demonstrate to you the Markov algorithm and how this works, and only it covers the 4th degree. in recommendation part here. I will cover that in the later video, in the later part of the video. So here I think I'm going to start there, so that I will make it as fast as possible. So to make this matter, let's go to Alice. So because Alice here. So let's say we'll add the user James. So here's a James. So first of all, he's still isolated because I have no friends. So when we switch to James, we see that he still has no preference because we didn't assign one, and we see the recommendation here is still 0 because he has no preferences and is not part of any social group. So he has still no friends as well because he's not part of he has no friends because he's not part of social group, or vice versa. So when I click gaming here, when I click gaming here, we see that the system recommends Alice and Dave, and there's 15% chance that that Alice will add friend you, and Dave has also 50% chance that he will add friend you. So basically that's how our system recommendation works. So basically that's that. So now we can see in Alice here that is like gaming. That's why when we choose preference gaming, the Alice percentage pop up, as well as Dave because he also like gaming. So there you go. So we will demonstrate the Markov algorithm now and how this works. So the preference part of it we just covered a while ago, because we see that there's a percentage upward because of these preferences similarities. So here 12 minutes. So here we will demonstrate the Markov fourth degree until the fourth degree, so that we will finish this friend recommendation system overall functionalities. So we will somewhat like add Alice, so that we will become part of Alice friend group. So when we add Alice, now we see in James' perspective, we see that we are now friends with Alice. We are now friends with Alice. Our current user James is now friends with Alice. It's indicated that Alice is yellow colored, and this we can see that now the system recommends Bob, Carol, and Dave here. We could see that this is the first degree. This is the first degree of friends of friends, because of this dark colored friends of friends part, and this light shaded is the second degree. We could illustrate that in that way. This is the second degree of Markov's algorithm. We can see the percentage here. As of now, Dave, even though Dave is the second part or second degree, he have higher percentage mainly because James is into gaming, and as well as Dave. That's why even though he's in second degree of friends or Markov chains algorithm, the preference we can see that the preference add up to the percentage itself. So that's how beauty of the algorithm or the website works. So that's that. So we will go back to Alice. We could see that Alice is now part. we could see that that James is now part of Alice's friend group. So that's that. So let's go back to James, and we will go from James' perspective. So let's make another user, so that we will add somewhere here. We will make user and add James, and add that user to the friends of Dave, so that we could see a chain. We could see a chain of Alice, Bob, Dave, and this new user. So we could see the third degree of Markov chain algorithm. So let's add another user. Say Jake. So Jake, you can see that he is isolated because he has no friends at all. So we will add friend Dave in that part. So now, in Jake's perspective, he has so many friends now to add up. So here's Jake. So in Markov's algorithm, the higher is Bob because he has the fourth degree, even though he still have no preferences but he is part of Dave's friend group, friends of friends. The first degree part of Dave has the higher value in the perspective of Jake. So that's why in Jake's perspective, Bob is the most likely will be the new friend of Jake. So basically that's how the Markov algorithm works. So we could see here that Bob is the first degree, Alice is the second degree, and both Carol and James is the third degree of Jake in the Jake's perspective. So when switch back to Bob or James, we'll say James here. We could see that in James' perspective is friends with Alice, and the next first degree is Bob, and the next is Dave, and the next is Jake. So you can see here that Jake has the lowest part or point of view, percentage of recommendation itself, because he is in the third degree of Markov's chain algorithm, or third degree of friends of friends of friends. And we could see that Jake has no preference at all. So let's say that he also likes gaming. So when we go back to James, we could see that Jake, even though he is there, moves upwards and all. That's how the gaming the preference similarities works, like super boosted, something like that. It's like it boosts your recommendation if you have same preference as the other users as well. So that's oh my god, wait. So my laptop is close open screen. Let's wait a bit. Shit. So let's remove that for now because it has no point. So we can see here the third degree, and lastly we'll just showcase the fourth degree of Markov algorithm. Oh my god. So let's add John. I think we still have no user John here. So John, and John's perspective in James' perspective, we'll add John here at the bottom, at the friend of Jake, so that we could see a chain in that part. So John will add Jake, and let's go back to my god. But my HDMI is currently bisyo. So let's go back to the perspective of James. So now we could see that he has the lowest percentage of all because he is at the bottom or the fourth part of Markov chain degree of algorithm. So Bob is the first degree, second is Dave, third is Jake, and John is the lowest of them all. That's why he has the lowest percentage lowest percentage of acceptance when it comes to be friends of James. Basically, this how our website works. It's just calculating the percentage of you being friends with someone else because of this friends of friends degree or the Markov chain algorithm, and how the preferences amplifies it with the recommendation itself. If you have so many preferences, it's the same with other person. It amplifies your preference, your degree or your probability of being friends with them, even though you are at the fourth degree of social group. So basically, it emphasizes that preferences has strong connection to all of it because it amplifies the percentage of having you to be friends in the first place. So basically, this is how our system works, the friend recommendation system. It supports preferences and the friends of friends idea that concept is being supported by Markov chains algorithm. So basically, we coded that, and as well as this idea of preference and this graph as well, how this moving and I love this code. So basically, this is our project and discrete structure. So I hope you feel inspired and sir, kapoy English, straight English, pilit lang ako Pero sir, mayo ito 22 minutes na yun. Bye bye. Thanks. Good luck. Good na ni sir Diba? Si Mumbi sir. Good na. Tama na. I-get ano ko lang to. Sige, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Naman dapat sir, have a nice day ka sa uli mo ng video tapos ng vlog nga. Goodbye guys. Have a nice day. Hindi mo sa una niya. Joke lang sir, pero joke lang. Pero joke lang tama na. Goodbye.